Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start immediately. Plug in the external drive and confirm it uses NTFS or XFAT to support links and permissions. Once done, pause OneDrive Sync from the tray icon and close the app so files won't change during the move. Create a clear target folder on the external drive, for example /OneDrive, and verify there's enough free space for your entire OneDrive. These steps prevent permission and corruption issues and prepare the system for a clean redirection using a symbolic link. Now you'll move and link. First, copy your existing OneDrive files to /OneDrive and verify checksums or spot check large files to ensure integrity. Next, open an elevated command prompt as administrator. Remove or rename the original /users/u/OneDrive folder only after a verified copy. Then create a directory symbolic link with mclink/d /users/u/OneDrive /OneDrive. Finish by verifying sync. Make a small edit to a test file and confirm it updates in the cloud and on the external drive. Make sure OneDrive is set to start with Windows so the link is always active, and never unplug the external drive while syncing. That causes conflicts and placeholder rebuilds. If something goes wrong, pause sync, reconnect the drive, and if necessary, unlink and relink your OneDrive account so the client reestablishes the symlink path. This usually resolves broken syncs without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.